Hey there guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Ambulance. Z-Tech engine was put in this. Oh, the show today.
This is from David.
Steering, nice. Marcus is ready on the camera. Marcus, you ready yet? This is Mr. David. And if you want to check him out, where do we check you out, David, on?
David's Classic Fords on Instagram, YouTube.
Exactly that. So guys, today we are off to a service station. And what was the event, David, again?
Surrey Classics Cobham Takeover.
Lovely. So guys, today, as you can see there, the old boy getting in the Ford Model T. And we got the Spartan kit car as well. So we're going to be taking these two. And we'll show you what's on offer. David, what are you looking forward to see?
Some Escorts doing some
drifting. Come on. Escorts, let's go guys. Let's see what classics we find today. Here we go. Driving with classics, you're prone to break down or have a few issues. So before we have the fueling issue, we are both at the petrol station, just fueling both cars up. As you can see, David there on the pump. You alright, Dad? Where are we going today? Secret. So yeah, guys, there's a 1970s Ford T-Bucket or T-Buggy, however you guys want to call it. All clean and ready. David's having to be very careful with the petrol, as of course these can fill up really quickly and get fuel all over the place. So David, thanks for being on the pump, and boys, we're ready to go. We are finally here. Arrived at Cobham Services. As you can see, R2 there. Look at this Escort with a carbon fiber bonnet. I'll show you this later. Ford 100Es here. So you've got this one here, tuned by Bailey Performance. Can have a look at the Mazda lamp in it. Look at that, fully race spec now.
So see how it goes.
Oh, look at the turbo on it. Here's another 100E. This one has got a bit of cleaner bodywork than the white one. And oh, look what we have here. It's got big balls. Fiesta Mark 1 there, black one, and the grey one. And this Mark 1 Escort looks to be modified. Roll cage, Sparko race seats, 3-point harnesses. Yep, another fully race spec'd out. Hey, and there's the girl. DC Fezzy, Fiesta Smoothie. If I'm correct, it's Lana and her partner's got this grey one, but they have both got Cosy engines in. They've got the bubble arches, split rims, and they look absolutely fantastic. And on this one, as you can see, look where the exhaust is, guys. Unbelievable work. Nice one. Collingwood custom sticker. I'm guessing that is their brand. And actually, if you look at the wind mirrors here, they've put a carbon insert here into the side mirrors. That's quite cool. Interior changed slightly. You got an AIM Alfano on there. Lovely. And then here's Lana's with that wrap, green or blue. Guys, what would you say the color is on that? Collingwood Customs again. But look at this interior. So this has actually got the mirror on. Check this out, guys. An Anglia. The thing that I wanted to show you guys on this was how the rims match the paintwork. How beautiful is that? And the bodywork on this is mint. Interior, look at the dash and all the dials. Wow, brand new. And then here's the VTEC lamp. Wow. Look at the work done on this, guys. From all the nuts, the bolts, even the reservoirs for the brake cylinder. That is unreal. And all the chrome work as well is literally spotless. Look at this, guys. Fully blacked out RS 2000. Beautifully done. Looking standard, and that's how we like them, because the value generally is a lot higher when the cars are original. Isn't that right, David? That's lovely. And also the interior on this. Oh wow, yeah, look at that, guys. Original. Lovely. Can even smell that good old smell. I'm sorry to ruin the video, guys, but here's 9WXE Mr. Ferrari F430. David, so what do you think of today's cobham services, mate?
Still getting bigger, so
yeah,
see how it goes.
What caught your eye at first? Oh, it's one of our boys coming in. Here he is. Hi there, mate.
You right?
Yeah, lovely.
You come out and see me?
Yep. Oh, it sounds like someone's been doing burnouts with it already. RS 2000 coming up. Not the DAF truck, guys, but here it is here. Oh, we had an escort there trying to drift the rear end. Nice. Look at this one, guys. Slowly filling up. So in the comment section, out of what you guys have seen so far, what has been your favorite? And of course, guys, we always have to show Marcus on the channel with all his carbon fiber work, as you can see, from the grille to the bonnet. And of course it's fully stripped out, and I'm sure we'll be seeing Marcus be doing some drifting tonight. We'll just have to see when. And look at the rear boot lid, full with carbon fiber. Mr. Marcus Hayes. Oh, we got an Ace Cafe sticker on today. Nice. Now let's see what else has turned up that we've not caught. Guys, I'm absolutely loving this Mark 1 Escort. And the thing that does it for me is, apart from the headrests, I love those metal parts there that show, unlike the usual type, which I can't find at the minute. But the last thing that completes this car for me is the rims. Look at them. How cute do they look on it? The big boy Cortina Cosworth. Now, you don't see many of these, and I know I've not videoed enough, but the interior is fully standard. As you can see, it looks like the leather's been re-upholstered though. And now look at the lump, 2.9 V6 Cosworth. And this is one of our good friends who's actually got a hot rod himself with a Pinto engine. It was the one that was at Santa Pod that I showed you guys with the skull gears. So yeah, this is his Mark 1 Fiesta with the wide arches. I'm not too sure on what the engine is on this, but as you can see, we've got OMP race seats, 3-point harnesses there with the roll cage. Can't see anything different to the back, apart from that's where he's put the battery. And then looking at the back, that sits pretty, doesn't it, guys? AZE rims sitting on it. Oh, nice. Looks like rear lights from an old BM. Sorry, a Mercedes, an old Beamer. What am I on? And part of Southeast Fords. Mark 1 Escort van. That looks very clean. Oh, and a Mark 2, look at that. slight different grille, sitting real low. Does anyone want a bit of rust? I mean, this will give you a lot of labour hours to work on. Here we go. Dumb and Dumber here. 2.3 V6. Lovely in this 100e here. Beautiful. I must say the 100es look lovely, and I guarantee that if you were a set of lights and a Beamer came next to you, you would fly off and they'd be in complete shock. If you look at these ones, don't get me wrong, it's still a lovely interior, lovely headrest, but I just don't prefer the look of the singular metal piece in the middle. I prefer the ones with the spokes, but you can definitely tell there's something big under the bonnet of this one, and especially when it came into us today, it absolutely floored it. And I wonder what this has as an engine, because it's got a really big intercooler there. You can see, already done the interior, the leather looking all fresh. Looks like a drag steering wheel, that. And of course the rear is completely empty. Hey, not only fans but only Fords. David, are you going to be an only Ford? Have you seen a sticker on it? The Mexico giving us some ideas on how we're going to get mine on the road and what we want it to look like. David's got ideas of his own, Dad's got ideas, I've got ideas. So guys, please like, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you want to see how our Escort goes on. And you've got, of course, the bonnet, you've got the wind mirrors, and you've got the roof seal, if you can see here. Like that. And if we come over this side, I'll show you a few more other carbon fibre bits. The RS logo on the wing there. Door handles also been made in carbon fibre, and the rear arch seal there. What does it say? Hampshire and Berkshire RS Owners Club and boostmonkeys.com. So you can imagine this is going to have some sort of, yeah, there we go, Escort RS Turbo. Oh my god, look at that exhaust pipe. We fit a hand in there? Yes, we can fit the hand in there, Jesus. Dad is taking a break there while the car's taking a break, but it looks like it's about to fly off. So guys, tell me, David, what's been your favorite car of the show today?
This is from David.
I told you, Dumber and Dumber. How about you, Dad? What's your favorite?
My favorite is the one behind. Over there.
Oh, the Anglia.
No. T-buggy.
Oh, your one. Yeah, of course you're gonna say that. David, you?
Either that silver mix
The silver Mexico that I just showed you guys, or which one was that?
red Cosworth.
Oh, the red Cosworth Escort over there. Good pick. But Dad, honestly, if it wasn't the T-buggy, what would you pick? The Anglia. Yeah. And guys, the Anglia was the one I showed you with that Honda engine just behind me here with that bonnet open there. Done to such a top level. But guys, I'll show you the drifts or the burnouts, but that is it for us today. Love. You enjoyed it? Yeah? David, you enjoyed it, mate? Yeah. Oh, here we go. Here we go. David, right in your face. So Mark 1 Fiesta leaving the meet. I love that kapow on the smash front. And apparently it got smashed by an electric Audi. Look at the back of it. Absolutely sandwiched. Oh. Oh, Marcus is ready on the camera. Marcus, you ready yet? Wait, go on, Lorna. Oh, there's a Ferrari going. Oh, another 100E. Mr. Mexico. God damn it. Go on, Kerry. Hey. Nice. Cool. That got us in it. And now it's time for Marcus. Here we go. Yeah, this one's gonna be the big one, innit? Come on, Marcus. Let's see it. Oh, Marcus. And you can't see him. He's gone. Oh. Yes, Marcus killed that. We made clouds, baby. We made clouds. And those are the remains of Marcus's tires. Now we're all warmed up and we can finally make our way home. And one for Adam C. Bring neons back, and we got it on a classic car. So guys, have a look at this. Adam, I hope you approve. And back home we go, guys.